Hello everybody, this is Dr. G.P. Sudhakar, Professor of Management from India. Right, in this specific video, I am going to explain you some of the PhD topics related to top management teams. Related to top management teams. See, basically, PhD topics in top management teams. Top management teams. Right. Basically, TMT, top management team, is one of the niche area in teams. In teams, because the top management also works as a team. Top management means, see in this specific video, I will take 2-3 minutes in explaining the what is the problem domain, top management team's problem domain, what kind of variables we can pull out from the actual problem domain, and then we will proceed to construct research topics. Research topics, right? So basically, what is the top management team is? It is, it includes CEO, all C-level executives, COO, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Technology Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, all Chief Human Resources Officer. No, all C-level executives. Top management team comprises all the C-level executives. What do? They devise the strategy for the organization. Top management devises the strategy for the organization. Right. Now let's move on and learn about the top management teams. What is the problem domain? What kind of variables we can pull out from the top management team's problem domain for the purpose of construction of the research topics. For the purpose of construction of the research topics. Right. See, basically, when we say top management teams, top management team characteristics will come into picture. Top management team characteristics. Like what are they? Top management team composition. Top management team composition. Who are all part of the top management team? Next, top management team competencies. Top management team competencies. Next, top management team diversity. How diversified is the top management team? Next, top management team tenure. Top management team tenure. How long they are together? Top management team is there, right? So these are nothing but the top management team characteristics, right? So next, also it includes top management team is CEO. It includes CEO as well. CEO, right? When we say CEO means what all variables will come into picture? CEO tenure, CEO tenure, CEO leadership style, leadership style, CEO strategies. For example, diversification strategies. Diversification strategies. What are his strategies? So like this, TO has got certain characteristics. Has got certain characteristics, right? So when we say top management team characteristics, CEO also part of top management teams, right? So these could be the independent variables in the problem. When we construct research topics, these will become independent variables. Independent variables. That means when we develop the model like this, when we develop the model like this to find out the effect of one variable and another, so these are the independent variables. Independent variables, right? So these will become independent variables here, right? So next, let us see what is the output of top management team. Top management team output can be organizational performance, organizational performance. Similarly, equity performance. Equity performance, that is output of top management team, right? What is the outcome of top management team? Next, what? Investor relations. Investor relations. This is some of the output, right? Investor relationships, right? So next comes top management team innovation, innovation output, huh? Innovation output. Similarly, equity performance, organizational performance, top management team performance itself, top management team performance. So like this, these are the outputs of top management teams. These are the outputs of top management teams, right? So these will become the dependent variables. These will become the dependent variables. These will become the dependent variables, right? Equity performance, organizational performance, hmm? Right. So let's move on and construct sample PhD topics. What could be the research topics? PhD topics. Huh? First one is top management team composition. Top management team composition. How is it related to the organizational performance? How is it related to the organizational performance? Is there any relationship? It is only dependent on the employees or the top management team composition, so it depends. Huh? Next, top management team diversity. Top management team diversity. Right. What is its relationship to? Is it related to organizational innovation? Organizational innovation outcome. Hmm? Similarly, next, top management team tenure. How long they are together? What is it affects over the equity performance? Means market capitalization or growth of the market capitalization. All these aspects. Top management team in tenure and equity performance. Similarly, CEO tenure. This could be another variable. CEO tenure. Its relation to equity performance. Equity performance. Similarly, another problem can be CEO tenure, organizational revenues, organizational revenue growth, probably revenue growth. Next research problem can be CEO diversification strategies, diversification strategies. What is its effect over the organizational financial performance? Over the organizational financial performance. Financial performance. Like this. You can construct different research topics. So these are nothing but the different variables coming from the top management team's domain, right? So you can identify some of the items. Questionnaires will be available in the literature for these specific variables, and then proceed to make the questionnaire, and then consolidate the questionnaire, then conduct the primary research. That way you have to proceed. So these all these variables can be measurable. All these variables can be measurable, right? Next one is what? Top management team tenure and employee satisfaction. This is important. Employee satisfaction. This can be researched further with the top management team tenure and employee satisfaction. Similarly, top management team size and organizational performance. Organizational performance. No, the more number of people are there in the top management team, organization performs better. Or if there are few people only, organization performs better. So, what is the research finding? What is the research finding? No, more people, then you get more better performance, or few people you get a better performance with respect to top management teams. Right. So next one, top management team diversity. What is its impact over the investor relations? Investor relations. No, is really diversity contributing to the investor relations? Top management team diversity, is it really contributing to the investor relations? Right. So like that you can construct different problems, different research problems. Right. So next we discussed, right, top management team competency. Hmm? Top management team competencies, skills and knowledge, competencies and skills. What is its effect over the organizational financial performance? So like this, you can construct different research topics using these kind of variables from the top management team's discipline. Top management team's discipline, right? So hope I covered. So let's recap a couple of minutes. What is that we discussed so far? We started with what is top management team meaning. We started with it includes C-level executives. We discussed it. Next, top management team characteristics. What is the problem domain? What is the top management team environment? Next, we learned that top management team has got certain characteristics. Next, what is the output of top management team? Which will become the dependent variables in a conceptual model. Also, we learned. Followed by we constructed the research topics specific to top management teams. Research topics specific to top management teams. Right. And also one more thing is also there. One more problem can be, how is the top management team composition? uh, Top management team composition, and what is the effectiveness of strategic planning? Strategic planning. You can include that as well. Another topic. Strategic planning is done by top management teams, right? How effective is the strategic planning? What is its relationship to the top management team composition? How is it top management team composition related to the effectiveness of the strategic planning? Right. So like this, you can construct different research problems from the top management team discipline. Right. So only thing is you need to find out different questionnaires from the literature for these kind of variables. Consolidate the questionnaire, conduct primary research. That way you have to proceed. We have to proceed in your research journey. Right. So, thank you. Let's move on.